What's up, guys? Payne here with another video, and I just got back from a baseball game, my first baseball game, and I won. Today I got a new fidget. I got a fidget spinner off of Amazon. Let's see if I can I'm gonna see if how many tricks that I can do with it, see how long it goes and everything. So, just like that, and so see how long it goes and everything. So, I'm gonna go check out Polaris 3 at the end of the video. So just keep watching, and you'll see how it looks like if you don't even have a fidget spinner. So. We're back, and I'm gonna see if we can balance it on one finger, like that, pretty much. So let's see if we can do it. So first attempt. It has to be up there for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It stayed up for 10 seconds. So, I can do other stuff with it. I'm gonna see how fast it goes. I don't have a radar gun or anything. I'm just gonna tell you how fast it really does. On the thing I bought, it said 1 through 3 minutes long. So I bet you that it's pretty fast. It's really slick. And everything. I would say it's really fast and really slick. So you should really buy some of these. Fidget spinners are really popular nowadays. So you should totally buy it off of Amazon, because I went Five Below and Walgreens for 2 days straight, and they didn't have any when the dude said they had it yesterday, but they all got sold out. So I just bought something off of Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna see how fast it goes and it actually is pretty fast. So, and we're back, and actually I didn't bring it yet, so I'm gonna go back to the kitchen and see how fast it goes. And so we're back, and I see how fast it goes on my mom's phone, and see how fast it goes. I see how fast this goes. So let's see how fast it goes. So starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it stopped at 49.7 seconds. So since I knew it because I watched some fidget spinner videos that see how long it goes in your hand, because it's more of a difference when it's from here from your hand. So see if I can do it. So see if I can reset it. Okay, ready? Starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna redo it. Starting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it stopped at 51 seconds. 51 seconds because I had to minus it because I touched it. And so 51 seconds. So, that's actually pretty, that was not really of a big, that was not really of a big difference. So, it's actually not really a big of a difference. So, oh yeah, by the way, I made my own fidget spinner on paper. That was yesterday. I think, yeah. See? Boom. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and go check out Polars 3. Oh, that's my friend Jake. You might see him in some of my videos. You might see him in some of his videos and everything. I'm in Water Ball Flipper Dare on his channel. It's not the, by the way, it is like, by the way, it didn't work for me either. But do not just write the word 3 out. Just don't do like the number 3. Write like THREE. And thank you for watching, and peace out, bro.